Hi and welcome to Afrihost Help Center. Today I'm going to show you how to create a signature in Afrihost Pure Mail. Open your internet browser and navigate to webmail.your domain name. For example, webmail.afrivideos.co.za. Enter the email address you want to create an email signature for as your username and the password for that email address. Click the green arrow button to log in. Select the Preferences gear icon on the left. From the menu on the left, select Mail. On the right side of the page, select IMAP Accounts from the menu at the top. On the right side of your email address, select the pencil icon to access the settings. Under Settings, select New Identity to create a signature. Enter your full name, email address, and the reply to email address. Under Signature, type all the information you want to show on your email signature. You may use the text tools above to format your text. To add a logo, select the image icon. You can use a URL or upload the logo image from your computer. For the purposes of this video, we will upload the Afrihost logo. Select Choose File to find the image you want to upload and click on it. Select the Open button to add it. Select OK to upload the image file. Finally, select OK at the bottom to complete the process. On the right side of the page, select the green button to save the settings. You have successfully created a signature in Afrihost Pure Mail.